Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm a mermaid just because I was braiding this wig earlier for an Instagram look, and then I just didn't want to take it off because I'm kind of digging it. So we're just gonna wear it for this video. So I was in the store Ricky's and they have a huge wall of lashes, and I stumbled across these magnetic lashes. I feel like I've heard of them before, but I never really saw anyone use them or heard if they're good or anything, so I just figured I'd try them for the first time for you guys and give a little review, because that seems like a really convenient thing if it does work. I'm gonna just try to open it. I should have done that before I started filming. By the way, I just did my face and my eyeshadow. I didn't do any like eyeliner or anything or lashes because I'm gonna do that with this. But I actually used my Steady Style palette. It's the Precious Metals palette. I was actually really surprised with this. I wasn't gonna do a whole like review, but I really liked it. It's got like all these colors. I was really surprised with how pigmented they were. Like I'm wearing aquamarine, sapphire, and emerald. Look how pigmented they are. That's where I got my, mermaid theme hair to match my eyes. Okay, so I've successfully gotten them out of the container. Good job, Danielle. It comes with upper and under lashes, so you don't need any glue, obviously. The instructions just say, gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Gently remove under magnetic lash and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two magnetic lashes together. Basically what I expected, so let's do that. By the way, Ardell makes these. I don't know if I mentioned that. Well, I showed you the box. And I'm already wearing mascara because I'm prepared. Just want to see before I put it in my eyes. Oh my god, they just connected. Did you see that? Let me just show you. They just like connect to each other. Why is this sticking? Oh, because this is magnetic. It's sticking to my metal thing. It's laying there. Oh, no. Okay, this is really difficult. Why is this difficult? Okay, I could do it. Maybe if I put the under one first, I feel like that would make sense, but the directions say to do the upper first. Oh my god, it's so difficult. But I'm not going to judge it yet because regular lashes were very difficult when you first started. And then once you get the hang of it, they're like, I could do them much quicker now. I want to give this a chance because it would be really cool if I could just, plop and go. Oh, it started connecting early. Why you gotta come early? I kind of want to put glue on this just so that they stay in place, but that defeats the purpose. Once they connect, they're connected. So you have to make sure they're like really close to your lash line, which is difficult. And then they start connecting before you're ready. Oh my god, I'm gonna be here all night. I can't keep my eyes open that long. Wait, did I do it? Oh my god, I think I did it. It's just a little wonky. Yo, if I can get this to work, I could tell I would really like it because the under lashes make it look like so much fuller. You don't have any control. Oh my god, I'm starting over. Oh my god. This is how they should be sitting on my eye. So the inner part is like good, but the outer part is like falling off. Wait, what just happened? Oh my god, now one of them is like twisted. Oh, damn it, I had it so close. Wow, this is not easy. Oh my god, I could have put both my lashes on by now. I really thought I was gonna like this, but I guess that makes sense why I haven't heard of it. I feel like if it was good, I would have heard of it by now. Let's try again. I'm not a quitter. Nope. It's basically on, except this is like weird here. Like, can you see? It's like the bottom one is like more towards the end. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh my god. I think I did it. Why don't you freaking connect? Oh my god. I'm really disappointed. It shouldn't be this hard. I mean, if I'm like good at lashes or like decent at applying them and I can't do this. Like, how is someone who's new to lashes gonna figure this out? I feel like I'm just gonna end up putting glue on them and calling it a day. This is redonkulous. This is crazy. The end pieces will not connect. It's not even at my lash line. There's no way to make it stay at your lash line. They're just connecting to each other, not you. So they're just gonna slide up. Okay, so we're gonna leave this alone for now, and I'm gonna move on to the other eye. I'm extremely disappointed. These are not cheap. These are $13. For $13, that's more expensive than my Rouge and Rogue lashes, which are really good. Am I pronouncing that right? Like these ones. These are so much better. And I could have put on 4 of them by now. I'm following the instructions. I really thought this was gonna be the quickest video. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna pop these on and like talk about them a little bit. Meanwhile, this is extremely long. Oh my god. I'm about to give up. I'm not a quitter because I already know how I feel about these, because at this point they've taken way too long. Look at this side. This side's already off. There's no way to make them stay. I mean, are you supposed to put glue? It doesn't say to put glue. Yeah, you're not supposed to put any glue. I would think this might be cool just to get like a double lash effect on the top and bottom, but you would just glue both of them and then they would still like connect to each other. So I might still use them for that. But as for like on its own, the purpose that it's supposed to serve, definitely fail. Coming from somebody who really likes Ardell, I have a lot of their lashes. They're great quality, but I mean, you can't really tell with my eyes open, but like it's a mess. It's a hot mess. That one's falling off. This one, oh look, that one's falling off too. Wow, I can't believe they even put out a product like this. Like, I was gonna say, oh, it's great for someone who's like allergic to glue or they can't tolerate glue for some reason, but at that point, even if you are, I still suggest just not wearing any lashes, because this looks worse than just not having any eyelashes. And look at this also. There's this stuck to the thing and I didn't even pull on it hard. But there's like glue. I don't even know why that's stuck in there because of the glue on the sides. I just want to put on my regular lashes and be done. So, do I really need to give a last review? I don't really think so. Do not purchase these. I think that's the first time on my channel where I ever had like a solid opinion of like, for sure, not worth it, in my opinion. Normally I'm like, oh, like I didn't really like it, but it's still nice, but I can't see how anyone works with this. It looks fun though, like to connect them. I just wish it worked. I wish it was good, but it's not good and it's expensive, so save your money. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried to use magnetic lashes before, or any magnetic lashes? Tell me your thoughts, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.